Exporting QuickBooks data to Excel is a straightforward process that allows you to analyze and manipulate your financial data in a more flexible and powerful spreadsheet environment. To get started, open your QuickBooks company file and navigate to the report you want to export, such as a balance sheet or income statement. First, click on the Reports menu and select the report you want to export. Once the report is displayed, click on the Export button at the top of the report. In the Export Report dialog box, select Excel as the export format. Choose the specific Excel file type you want to export to, such as Excel workbook or comma-separated values. You can also choose to export the report in a specific format, such as a summary or detail report. Click Export to save the report to an Excel file. You can choose the location where you want to save the file and give it a name. Once the export is complete, you can open the Excel file and begin analyzing and manipulating your QuickBooks data. It is a good idea to export your QuickBooks data to Excel on a regular basis to stay on top of your finances and make informed business decisions. By following these simple steps, you can easily export your QuickBooks data to Excel and gain a deeper understanding of your business finances.